Hi guys, today's video is about how to enter right referral code and get up to $1,000 on MX Exchange. First, go to mexc.com and click on one of the buttons to registration. Sign up here, or log in, sign up in the top right corner of the page. I will leave the link to the MEXC site in the description below. Here, it asks you for your email address or phone number. Then click Next. Then this kind of CAPTCHA in the form of a slider. Okay, and set up a password here. Under this field is a very important point. Referral code. Click on it and enter code to get promo bonus $1,000, which can be used after registration. Enter the one you see on the screen now. If you use the link from the description, the code will be entered automatically. Where to get these bonuses? I'll explain as we proceed. Okay, then press I'm agree with MEXC policy and then click on button sign up. Next, it will ask you to enter a 6-digit verification code, which will be sent to your email address or phone. Your account is now created. Now, all options are available to you. MEXC is one of the few exchanges where verification is not required, and you can use all the functionality. But I still went through KYC for the safety of my account. If you want to verify your account too, click on your profile icon on the upper right corner. You will see the identification button in the drop-down menu. Click on it. Find the window that appears, which is called Primary KYC, and click Verify. Next, input your country of residence. Provide your first name, last name, the ID number of your document, and your accurate birth date. Conclude the process by verifying it with your driven license or any government-issued ID card. Just upload high-quality photos by pressing the button where you need to upload the front side of the document and the back side. And you're all set! Oh, and about where to get your bonuses. To do this, log into your MEXC account and click on Get $1,000 bonus button on the left side of the site. This will open an intuitive instruction, some kind of roadmap for getting the bonuses. I right now got $100 here. It feels really good. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks and goodbye!